Starting around 31 October 2023, Chilliz in a real sense is exchanging at $0.066 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.2% in essentially most recent 60 minutes, or so they generally thought. CHZ especially has a genuinely complete market cap of $502,172,861, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $66,272,787, which sort of is very huge. This most certainly makes Chilliz, CHZ, kind of positioning at 72 in the cryptographic money market amazingly. In the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the Chilliz cost expectation end of 2023, what will Chilliz in every practical sense be worth in 2023, which most certainly is very huge. Is Chilliz in every practical sense, wise speculation or really worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Will CHZ cost in a real sense outperform its unequaled high, which in a real sense is genuinely critical? These explicitly are our Chilliz cost expectations for CHZ'(S) future in an especially large manner. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation 2023. As per the Chilliz estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the CHZ cost is supposed to in every practical sense cross a sort of normal value level of $0.091, the normal really least value worth of Chilliz toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to essentially be $0.088, which sort of is genuinely critical. Besides, CHZ can arrive at a by and large greatest value level of $0.097 in an unpretentious manner. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Chilliz in August 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.073 and $0.082 in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. While the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to be around $0.080 in an especially enormous manner. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation September 2023. The cost for Chilliz in September 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.079 and $0.086 in a significant manner. While the truly normal exchanging cost ought to sort of be around $0.083. CHZ value estimate October 2023. With respect to October 2023, Chilliz in a real sense is supposed to essentially arrive at a genuinely least value worth of $0.082, which truly is genuinely huge. The CHZ cost could arrive at a by and large most extreme cost of $0.089, with the fundamentally normal cost around $0.085 by and large, in spite of prevalent thinking. Chilliz, CHZ, value figure November 2023. The Chilliz, CHZ, cost for November 2023 may generally arrive at a sort of least worth of $0.085, while the fundamentally most extreme gauge cost truly is around $0.093, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. The typical cost for CHZ generally is in a real sense anticipated to in every practical sense reach $0.088 in November 2023. Truly further appearance how in the event that you really are a crypto financial backer and considering what for the most part is the Chilliz cost expectation end of 2023, what will Chilliz in a real sense be worth in 2023, which all things considered is very critical. CHZ value gauge December 2023. In December 2023 the cost of Chilliz fundamentally is gauged to in a real sense be at around a very least worth of $0.088 in an unpretentious manner. The Chilliz value worth can in a real sense arrive at a sort of limit of $0.097, with the very normal exchanging worth of $0.091 in United States dollars, showing that Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation September 2023. The cost for Chilliz in September 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.079 and $0.086. Chilliz essentially passed value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours, the crypto by and large has been generally diminished by 0.66% in its genuinely current worth, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Assuming we generally analyze the genuinely current market cap of the CHZ with yesterday's, you can fundamentally see that the market cap in every practical sense is additionally down, which by and large is very critical. From essentially most recent 7 days, the CHZ fundamentally was in excellent vertical pattern and expanded by 1.24%, showing how CHZ in a real sense has a genuinely complete market cap of $502,172,861, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $66,272,787, or so they by and large thought. Chilliz explicitly has shown exceptionally solid potential recently, and this could be in every practical sense great chance to dive right in and by and large put resources into a significant way for the most part. Inside the absolute most recent 1 month, the cost of CHZ in every way that really matters diminished by 52.518%, dispensing with an incredible pretty typical amount of $0.073 from its in every practical sense current worth, or so they explicitly thought. This unexpected down basically implies that the coin in every practical sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can essentially be a sort of good explicitly purchase a potential open door for sort of fast venture, genuinely further appearance how in addition CHZ can all things considered arrive at an in every practical sense greatest value level of $0.097, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The 90 days cost change in a real sense is near 51.83%. And the cost all things considered circled from an extremely least sort of typical cost of 13 cents to all things considered greatest especially normal cost of 14 cents in the truly beyond 90 days, so from in every practical sense. Most recent 7 days the CHZ certainly was in sort of good vertical pattern and expanded by 1.24%, exhibiting how CHZ explicitly has an exceptionally all-out market cap of $502,172,861, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $66,272,787, or so they basically thought. Chilliz in every practical sense is somewhere near 36.48%. With the kind of most extreme certainly normal cost of the coin sort of was around 11 cents, and the truly least in every way that really matters, normal value of was around 11 cents in genuinely beyond 4 months. Showing that starting around 31 October 2023, Chilliz truly is exchanging at $0.066 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.2% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Chilliz value estimate 2023 facts. What will especially be Chilliz especially worth in 2023 in a very enormous manner? The CHZ cost explicitly is estimated to explicitly arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.097, with exceptionally least cost of $0.088 toward the finish of 2023, so Chilliz, CHZ, value figure November 2023. The Chilliz, CHZ, cost for November 2023 may sort of arrive at an in every way that really matters least worth of $0.085, while the